Hello and welcome to my channel Green Rose. This is the unboxing of three products. Do watch the whole video. I'll be just unpacking all these packages and not be doing installation or anything, just showing what's inside the package and what I've ordered. Guardian Gears Rhino 70-liter tail bag, and this is 28 liters tank bag. Let's move on to the next package. Next, a medium package. Guess what? So before I open this package, I want to show you something. This is the jacket I use for riding. Extreme Dynamics Inc. Is the jacket. There is a Cordura mesh. You can see mesh jacket. There is padding here, a good well level 2 padding. There is a 600 protection, and also there is a shoulder slider. That's the reason I went for this, the shoulder sliders. I have gone off-road, on-road, and I did crash some places, so I met with some accidents, different locations, say off-road also and on-road. These shoulder sliders saved me a lot, and these are from XDI, Extreme Dynamic, and I've been using this jacket since more than 2 years. It has Y2K zippers. This is X1 Hydra Seal jacket, and the size I'm using is XXL. Now let's go to this box. See, this is also an XDI, and they have put in this helmet package in Mavox. This is the second package. Now you can understand why did I show the jacket before unboxing this, because this is the XDI pant. Use it while riding. This is also Cordura mesh. There is padding here, there is padding here, and the padding here on the near the waist, near the thighs, curved. Most of the padding I've seen, they come in a straight format, and it's just say a foam, but this is a plastic padding and it is curved and it fits on your thighs well. You don't have to get uncomfortable while riding, so that's the reason I went for this on any other product. And there is, and also one more reason, the rain liner and the winter liner all are inside. I don't have to again like wait. If it is rainy season, I rather wear it inside and go for riding, so you don't have to wait the rain liner again. If you see, you just have to open this chain, and this you can put it here, and ventilation is there. Zippers, and this also Y2K zippers, YKK zippers. There are buttons here. You can connect. You can just connect here, and this you can connect here. These are the red and these are black to show it's left and right, which fits where. So this button for the liners inside. Also same on the other leg of the pant. This button tends to come off easily. The stitches get torn after rough usage, long usage. So you can use the needle and thread and just tie it up, and you don't have to worry that button, it just stays inside. Everywhere they have used the YKK zippers, and I've ordered the size 38. This is the pant, XDI X1 Hydra Seal. You can see X1 Hydra Seal. I've ordered this from Pro Street. One shop is in Mumbai, another shop is in, I guess, Kochi. In Kerala. So you can order it from website, or you can call them, let them know that you're ordering, if they have the stock or not. Pro Street Motorcycle Gears. written really small. I hope you can view it. No worries, I'll put, if you want, I will put the details on the description. You can check the details there. There's a guy named Bijoy who sold me this product, and sanitizer again. But see, this protection, this is not level 2 protection or level 3 protection, this is just level 1 protection. And I went for level 1 protection because if you are riding on a 160cc or 200cc, you don't require that higher level protection. If you are riding more than 500cc or 600cc bike and you crash, that time you require at least a high level protection and everything. But 160cc, and you won't be going like 120 or 130 kilometer, you will be going rather under 80 or 70 kilometer per hour, because fuel economy, if you're going for long ride, comfort and everything. So long ride with long stretch and also high speed cannot do. So level 1 is well good for 150cc 100 till 250cc bikes. It's fine. So you can see there is some tags here, CE protection, and there's a level 1 protection that shows, and the 3M Scotch light that shows the reflective pack. So this all are reflective, everything is reflective at night. And one more thing is that you can attach this pant with your jacket. So you just have to open this. This is the chain that I was talking about. You just have to slide in through and this joins together and becomes a whole set, the riding jacket and the pant. If you want to know the price, do comment how much I got it for. And they have this transparent bag kind of. So let's move on to the last package, which is from the ASG. Now if you are a rider, you know what is in the package. You might have guessed already what's in the package. So let's open up and show you. Here it is, the ASG 5. So you can see it's a Bluetooth intercom. ASG imports mostly from China and they rebrand it. So you can see here, imported and marketed by Empire Impex. Actual name of ASG, the actual brand, actual franchisee of ASG is Empire Impex. They are the importers and exporters from foreign countries. If you want to research similar products, search in AliExpress or in Google, just Google it, SCSETC S3. You'll show up this same product. So just search that, or you can search Ford Sport, FOD Sports R2. Those two products resemble this product because those two products are actually the same product that ASG imports from foreign countries, rebrands it and sends it to us. But if you want to buy it from there, it will be same price. Thanks to ASG that they have rebranded Made in India for this product, and it's very product. After imported, they check everything, then they ship it to us. This pre-checked product. ASG is a very good brand. They have other product, SG6 and also SG2. SG2 is used just a Bluetooth headphone kind of thing, and SG6 is just a 1-to-1 intercom, and they have top boxes also. This is the premium product. The packaging is good. However, I will say the shipping company delivery is worse. They were just jumping around in Mumbai from one hub to another hub, and for 3 days they did that, and after coming to Pune also they did the same thing. So this is the product, and this is the main intercom. You can see here, this is the product. They have this antenna here for extending the range. There is the chip kind of thing that connects to the stand. So this is the charging USB port. Show you the dock where the ASG docks actually. There is the user manual, the Bluetooth intercom. So this is the boom mic you get, and it comes with a 2.5 jack. the wire is very delicate. You can see it's damn delicate. The charging cable, micro USB charging cable, and this HG5 one comes for 1 year warranty. Now they had previously 6 months warranty. Now they are on the website is shown 1 year warranty. This another mic, you can stick it on the side of the helmet with a velcro strap, some velcros you can see, and an extension. If your helmet has a gap where you put the headphones here and it's going too much inside and you want it to be in touching your ear, then you use this velcro extra to extend the headphones. See, this is the stand, and the speaker quality is really good. It's 90% to Sena. The wiring, you can see it's kind of a braided plastic wire. There is a quick release button here, you can see, and these are the pins that connect, and this is the stand where it connects. This is the the mic where it goes. 3.5 jack where you can use your earphone also to aux in. You can call it the aux in. I cannot see the clip here. Where is the clip? Yes, no, they have missed to give the clips here. Okay, otherwise I need to use this. You can use this as clipping. So previously they used to come with another clip, that metal clip that used to insert in between two holes, these two holes, and however that they have not given to us. Instead they have provided this kind of slide-in clip. You can just insert this clip inside. Let me speak to the SG if they can give me the clip, or I need to replace this. No idea. So that's all for the third product, a Bluetooth intercom from ASG. I had the budget for going for the Sena, but why didn't I go? So Sena paying so much, say 18,000 or 23,000 for 20s or 10s. I had the budget for both, but the thing is that still it's just a water resistant. People on the Sena forum, they have multiple complaints about getting damage due to water. Also after a long run, say after 1 or 2 years, the after sale service is not good. Mostly the product gets damaged after 2 years when your warranty is over due to water, no matter what, dust or water. The same pin comes similar, so like ASG, the pin also get rusted. So I thought, you are spending so much 20 to 30k behind a Sena product just to get the quality, and you're not getting the service that you wanted, like waterproof or after sale service. It's no use. I've seen people using this kind of plastic bag to cover that Sena product and go for a ride on rains. So I can spend at least 10k on a similar kind of product which gives 90% like performance like Sena, and use the same plastic to cover that. So that is the reason I thought multiple times and went for ASG. And if you want an HD quality sound also, the 20s and the 10s doesn't give HD quality. Even the 30k also doesn't give the HD quality sound. So if you want the HD quality sound, you have to shed at least 30 to 40k to buy the 50s or 50k. It's not worth it just to get the sound. Rather use an earphone or headphone attached to this and you get a better quality, or use a booster in your phone, audio booster, and use that to boost your sound also, software boosting. So that's all. I hope you like it. I need to speak to ASG for this clip. If they have stopped giving the clip or they have missed giving me the clip, I need to check with them. That's all for now for this video. I hope you like it. Do subscribe and share with your family or any other riders. If you want, do press the bell icon, and so that you get notified for my upcoming videos, and also you get notified for the details of what did the ASG said to me about the clip. Okay, stay tuned, stay safe, ride safe, use helmet and gloves, and also wear a mask and carry sanitizer, and if you're driving, wear a belt, seat belts. Do not forget that, and take care of yourself and your family.